Houston. Houston, do you cop? We have got a message from our base, but it is encrypted. We need to decrypt it right now to save our beloved planet. There is a postscript containing a number. It may lead us to something. Let the challenge begin. Assembling an algorithm could be a great idea. Let us try it out and see where we will end up. Well done, Houston. Now that you have decrypted the message, we need to respond to the base urgently. Tell them to stop examining us. We are humans, not robots. But be aware, aliens could have intercepted their message, so we need to change the key. Also remember, we can decrypt uppercase and lowercase letters using any key. Also we can encrypt capital letters using any key. However, to encrypt small letters we must use n key less than 5. Our work is done here, Houston. Over and out.